So we're first going to start by breaking free the lug nuts. I did not film that, but make sure to break that free. And you're going to jack up the car, take off the lug nuts, take the wheel off, and then slide it under the car for an extra protection. Take the drum off. Make sure to take a few pictures and videos of everything beforehand so you don't forget how it was. Make sure to catch in all the details. Then you're going to start by taking off the brake shoe holders, which is those small springs holding in the brake shoe on each side. Take both of them off. Then you can take the bottom spring off. And then it mainly just falls apart, and then you can take the other two springs on top off with ease. Now the shoe with the emergency brake. Just take a screwdriver and pry that thing off, and spray the whole entire area with brake cleaner. Don't be scared to use a lot. Make sure to spray everywhere. Wipe down the surfaces. Then take a metal wire brush, or whatever you got, something that's going to really eat away, and clean all the mounting surfaces where the shoes are going to mount to the brake hub. Make sure to clean also the emergency brake. Next, going to attach the shoe back on, and you're going to put the clip on and just tweezer the ends with the pliers, bend them inward. This took me a while, but it should take you also a while unless you have the right tools. Squeeze both of them together until they hold. Then you're going to put the shoe back on, and the pin will be a little tricky if you don't have the regular tool to put it back on, but it's manageable. You want to put that spring in over there so it holds both of them together while you put the pin in. This will take a while, so just keep on trying. Push the spring in, and once the lock is in place, just turn it and lock it finally. And then take the screwdriver and make sure it's where you want it. Make sure it's not on an angle. That's just straight. Then you can put the other springs in on top, and make sure to turn the brake adjuster, screwdriver, or pliers to make sure that shoes are wide enough to hit the drum. But make sure that they're not too loose. You want it just snug. Spray down the hub. If you want, you can also put here some anti-seize, but you don't have to. Just an extra precaution, the brake drum should not seize on. And spray the brake drum on. Spray the brake drum, clean it, then put it back on. Make sure to get it all the way on there. Take it to put a tire back on. Tighten the helmet back in. Lower the car back down. Make the torque wrench and tighten them to 100 foot-pounds.